All right, so the first step once you've logged into your back office is going to the setup menu and making sure your company profile is set up properly. So you'll just want to scroll through, make sure you got your address correct. Looks like I need to change my time zone. All right, now we'll go ahead and enter a deposit, so you can put a flat dollar amount. We'll do $25, and then we'll also put it in for 20%. So it'll be basically one or the other. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put a remote surcharge. Let's just say $1.99. All right, now here in Alabama, we're not allowed to charge sales tax on services, so it's gonna be a 0. So I know in other states, they might allow you to charge sales tax on services, so you're just gonna wanna put your tax rate in here. You can also pass along the convenience fee if you like. That's gonna be that credit card fee. We set it at a booking lead time of 48 hours. I wouldn't suggest going any lower than that, especially not when you first start using it. We definitely don't want you to get double booked. And this is gonna give you plenty of cushion to make sure you've got everything planned out for the day. All right, also, you can put your Google ID and your Facebook Pixel ID here. Go ahead and check out the help guide if you want some additional information regarding those, but definitely some helpful information that can be collected from using both your Pixel ID and your Google ID. All right, if you're just a remote guy, you don't have in-house services, you would turn those off. And for this particular setup, we're gonna go ahead and assume you have both an in-house and a remote mobile unit. All right, and we're just gonna save that profile. There we go.